Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Quick Match in Rainbow Six Siege. Open the main menu, choose Play, then Quick Match to jump into casual 5v5 gameplay. Pick an operator that fits your team's role and learn one gadget to practice each round. Stay calm, communicate simple callouts, and focus on common entry points to build situational awareness quickly in matches. Before you hit accept, check your operator and loadout so you are ready when the round starts. Make sure your sensitivity and key bindings feel comfortable to avoid fumbling during engagements. If you play with a team, agree on roles and simple callouts like entry, objective, or hold to reduce confusion. Small pre-match prep pays off in better coordination and fewer wasted rounds in Quick Match. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your ride smelling great after intense siege sessions and long commutes between matches. It's a small touch that makes loading screens and queue wait times more pleasant, and it pairs surprisingly well with clutch celebration. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more tips and vids. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. During the round, keep communication short and specific so teammates can act fast without clutter. Prioritize holding angles and using utility to deny entries instead of chasing every fight. If you die, share enemy positions and gadget usage for the next round to help your team adapt. Treat each round as a mini lesson and aim for small improvements like better peeks or smarter gadget placement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.